Alright, we have a 2016 Honda Odyssey, and I'm going to show you how to change out the cabin filter. This is the one that's available at Walmart for $9.99 plus tax. Not too bad. It even says Honda on it, and the part number is 5750. Alright, so we're going to open the glove box, and you want to make sure that it's empty, because once we pull this glove box down and you have items in here, it's going to fall down. So basically, on the right side you can't really see it until I pull it down, but you can push it in, and then on the left side push it in towards this way, and then it comes down just like that. Alright, so once the glove box is down, there's only one hinge right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna push it forward, and the whole glove box should come down. See, just like that, and it comes down, and then you have access to the cabin filter. Alright, so what you want to do is 2 taps. One right here, and one right here. So you're gonna push it in, and then it comes out. It slides forward. Wow, look at that. Look at all that junk. Alright, I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna replace it with the new one. Alright, so we took the filter out of the packaging, and believe it or not, Super Tech, product of USA. Awesome. So the air flows. See the arrow going down? So we're gonna put it just like that. See, even has another arrow that says, airflow going down. Alright, so we're gonna slide this in. So basically the left side goes in, and then the right, and just push it forward, and that's it. Wasn't too hard. Alright, so we're gonna put the glove box back together, and remember the hinge that we push forward? So when we put it back, it's gonna be the opposite direction. We're gonna put it under, and then we're gonna pull it towards us. There you go, you hear that snap, so it's good. Now remember what I was pushing in? So basically this is what I was pushing in to get clearance from here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to push this in, and then slide this up, and then on the right side, basically the same thing. See, that goes in, the right side is in, and that's it. Just change out the cabin filter, and it wasn't too hard. And this is going to save you time and money, especially from the dealership. They charge you an arm and a leg, but look at that.